Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Rayan the Techwizard, and today we're a bit excited because finally we got our hands on Mi A2. Not from China like other reviewers had to import, but an actual retail release in the Middle East. This is officially now available. Wasn't originally, so we finally gotten it in October, and they threw in a screen protector and another case. So yay, we're excited to unbox this one.
Where do you open it?
I think you have to cut it open, but yeah, so we got the 64 GB with 4 GB of RAM model, and I believe it's the gold version, maybe the blue one, I don't know. Well, we'll just unbox it and find out.
Cut it open?
So you can see they have some kind of quality inspection sticker here. I don't know what quality inspection they did, but okay. Also, this is now available in Dubai and Bahrain as of recording of this video. Cut it? Okay, just 1 second, let me get my knife.
Check out that plastic.
Yeah, just pull out the plastic like that. Right, so let's get the device out of the box. You just gotta, just let it slide out.
We just have to wait for a few minutes, or it'll just come out in a few hours. See how long.
Oh, okay. So there's the package. What is? Oh, it comes with the case inside the pack. That's pretty cool.
Oh, that's a big one. It's a big one.
You got the 3.5mm adapter, USB adapter, because there's no headphone jack. Pin. A
Take off.
plastic case. And wow, it's white front, gold variant. Nice. Let's put that inside. And it comes with, what is that? Can you get that out?
It's too hard.
Alright, I'll give it a try.
Packaging.
Yeah, well, I guess Xiaomi didn't want anyone to charge their phone. Wow, it's really stuck in there.
I think you need a knife or something.
I think I got it out. Okay, so that's out. That's the charger. I think is it a quick charger? It is a quick charger. I don't know if it's quick charger 3.0 compliant, but it's a quick charger, and there is a USB Type-C cable. Yay. Let's move that aside. All the packaging aside. So here's the phone, and I think you just pull out the plastic from the side, maybe? Bottom, somewhere? Let's see. I think it's here. Oh yeah, you just pull it out from here. There is a satisfying sound.
Do you hear that? Oh, that's amazing.
Wow, so it is a huge phone. It's 6-inch screen, I believe, and the metal feels really good in the hand. Although it looks a little too much like an iPhone. But wow, it's a good looking phone. Let's just compare it for a second to the Nokia 7 Plus. And
It's saying like your Nokia 7 Plus.
yeah, it's kind of similar footprint. Screen size is the same, but obviously this is way cheaper than the Nokia 7 Plus. So just hold the power button and power it on. Yay, Android One. Right, so we've just updated the phone, and apparently there's a security update being downloaded, but so far the phone's performance is admirable. I mean, really, even when comparing it to the Nokia 7 Plus, it's a very good phone. The performance is excellent. I can't comment on the battery life because we haven't charged it yet, but performance-wise, it's a very, very good phone, and I can see why so many people were excited about this phone, especially in emerging markets like India, Pakistan, Asia, and now Middle East. it's a very good phone for the price. I mean, it's $250. That's a bargain. You're getting something that's almost like the Google Pixel in terms of performance, and the camera is wow. Let's just show some of the photos, Ryan. Wait, don't turn on the Google Assistant. Let's just right. I mean, we were shooting some of these shots up close, and of course there's a reflection from light on top, but the photo quality of the front camera, especially in portrait mode, without beauty mode, it's really really good. The focus is very fast, the quality is really good, and I have to say I'm very impressed with Xiaomi. Excellent phone for $250. Right, could you take a shot? Let's just see how fast it is. I mean, look at that. Look at the speed. That's fast. I mean, look how fast it is.
The phone is good. The camera is working very well, and the camera is good quality. It's going fast.
Well, what do you think about the body of the phone? Do you think it looks nice?
Yep.
You like the feel of the phone in your hand?
Yep.
Yeah, it feels nice and cool to the touch, right?
Yep.
What can we say? Xiaomi, whatever you guys are doing, keep doing it. $250, Snapdragon 660, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 GB internal storage, Google Photos support, excellent cameras, great battery life, even though it's only 3000 milliamperes. Best part is the quality. I mean, I don't know how they fit all of that into this phone, including the camera, and they managed to keep the price point only $250. Xiaomi, excellent job. 2 thumbs up from Rayan, 2 thumbs up from me.